Welcome back. We are moving towards the end of this office filing course, and in this lesson, we will be discussing the power of cloud storage. In today's dynamic business landscape, the ability to access, share, and secure documents efficiently is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Enter the world of cloud storage solutions, a game changer in the realm of document management. This lesson unveils how your organization can harness the power of cloud storage to revolutionize your files or document handling, ensuring enhanced security, compliance, and unparalleled collaboration. Cloud storage transforms the way we store data, shifting from physical servers within our immediate environment to remote servers accessible via the internet. This shift not only slashes IT costs, but also elevates disaster recovery capabilities and empowers a remote workforce. Selecting a suitable cloud storage provider is critical. Consider the following factors: security and compliance. Ensure the provider offers robust security features, including encryption, and complies with relevant regulations and standards. Scalability. The cloud solution should easily scale up or down based on your organization's needs without significant cost implications. Accessibility and reliability. Look for providers that guarantee high uptime and offer multiple access methods to ensure data is always available when needed. Integration capabilities. The cloud storage solution should seamlessly integrate with your existing document management systems and productivity tools. I will give the tips to consider in implementing cloud storage in document management. Migration strategy. Develop a comprehensive migration strategy to move existing documents to the cloud. This might involve data cleansing, format standardization, and the use of migration tools or services. Data organization. Implement a clear structure for data organization in the cloud using folders, tags, and metadata to make documents easily searchable and retrievable. Access controls. Define access policies and permissions to ensure that employees can only access documents relevant to their roles, enhancing security and data privacy. Training and adoption. Facilitate training sessions for staff to familiarize them with the cloud storage system. Encourage adoption by demonstrating the benefits and efficiencies gained through cloud storage. Cloud storage isn't just about storing data, it's about supercharging your document management capabilities. From real-time collaboration and automated backups to sophisticated version control and insightful data analytics, the cloud offers tools that redefine efficiency. To fully harness the benefits of cloud storage, regular security assessments, clear usage policies, and vigilant monitoring of system performance are indispensable. These practices ensure your cloud storage solution remains a robust pillar of your document management strategy. Cloud storage solutions present a transformative approach to managing your documents. By thoughtfully selecting your provider, strategically implementing the system, and leveraging its advanced features, your organization can unlock a new level of efficiency, security, and collaboration. The future of document management is in the cloud, and the time to elevate your strategy is now. Now, let's move to another lesson: automation in filing and document management. Automation in document management involves using technology to perform routine tasks that were traditionally done manually. This includes organizing, storing, securing, and retrieving documents. Imagine a world where the tedious tasks of organizing, storing, securing, and retrieving documents are seamlessly managed by technology. This is the power of automation in document management, designed to streamline your operations, free up valuable resources, and catapult your organization into a new age of efficiency. Let us take a look at the benefits of automation. Increased efficiency. Automation speeds up document processing, from indexing to archiving, significantly reducing the time spent on manual tasks. Enhanced accuracy. Automated systems reduce human error, ensuring documents are correctly filed and easily retrievable. Improved security. Automated workflows include security protocols that limit document access based on predefined rules, enhancing data protection. Better compliance. Automation can help ensure that document management practices comply with industry regulations by maintaining accurate records and audit trails. Cost reduction. By decreasing the reliance on physical storage and manual processing, organizations can see a substantial reduction in related costs. Now, implementing automation strategies. Automated filing and indexing. Utilize document management software, DMS, that offers automated filing capabilities. Documents can be automatically sorted and indexed based on content, metadata, or predefined rules. Workflow automation. Implement software that automates document-related workflows, such as approvals, revisions, and distributions. This can significantly streamline operations and reduce bottlenecks. Digital forms and signatures. Replace paper forms with digital versions that can be automatically processed and stored. Utilize electronic signatures to expedite document approval processes. AI and machine learning. Advanced DMS solutions employ AI and machine learning algorithms to classify documents, extract relevant information, and even predict where documents should be filed based on their content. Mind you, you need to as well take note of the challenges and considerations integration with existing systems. Ensure that any automation solutions can seamlessly integrate with your current IT infrastructure and document management systems. User training. Staff should be adequately trained on new automated processes and systems to maximize their benefits and ensure smooth adoption. Data privacy and security. Automation involves handling sensitive data digitally, necessitating robust security measures to protect against breaches and unauthorized access. To master automation, start small and scale up. Continuously monitor and tweak your systems for optimal performance. Actively seek feedback to refine processes, and stay ahead of technological advancements to keep your document management strategy cutting edge. By embracing these technologies, your organization can not only meet the demands of the modern business landscape, but set new standards of excellence. Like I have always said, the future of document management is automated, and the time to act is now. Okay, let us move to the last lesson. Handling sensitive information and compliance. Sensitive information, the lifeblood of trust and confidentiality in business operations, encompasses everything from financial records and personal employee details to customer information and guarded trade secrets. In a landscape governed by regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and SOX, managing this information responsibly is not merely a legal mandate, it's a covenant of trust with your stakeholders. Of course, I will always give the strategies. So, strategies for handling sensitive information. Classification and labeling. Implement a data classification scheme to identify and label documents based on their sensitivity level. This facilitates the application of appropriate security measures and compliance protocols. Access control. Limit access to sensitive information to authorized personnel only. Utilize role-based access controls, RBAC, and identity and access management, IAM systems, to enforce strict access policies. Encryption. Encrypt sensitive documents both at rest and in transit to protect against unauthorized access. Encryption should be standard practice for all sensitive information, whether stored on premises or in the cloud. Secure storage solutions. Invest in secure document. Storage solutions that offer robust security features, including advanced encryption, intrusion detection systems, and secure backup capabilities. Tools for ensuring compliance document management systems, DMS, with compliance features. Select a DMS designed to support compliance, offering features such as audit trails, document retention schedules, and automatic compliance updates. Automated compliance monitoring. Utilize tools that continuously monitor document management practices for compliance. These systems can alert administrators to potential non-compliance issues in real time. E-discovery tools. In the event of legal action, e-discovery tools can streamline the process of identifying, collecting, and producing electronically stored information, ESI, in response to a request for production in litigation. Navigating the complex maze of compliance demands a toolkit equipped with precision-engineered solutions. Document management systems, DMS, with built-in compliance features, automated monitoring tools that keep vigil over compliance health, and e-discovery tools that streamline legal preparedness are the allies that ensure our practices meet the gold standard of regulatory adherence. The path to mastering sensitive information management and compliance is paved with best practices. Regular, insightful training empowers our teams to be the first line of defense. Clear, concise policies provide the blueprint for our actions, while a well-defined incident response plan ensures we are always prepared, always resilient. In the quest to protect sensitive information and uphold compliance, the journey is continuous, and vigilance is key. By embracing these advanced strategies and tools, we not only shield our organization from risk, but also elevate our standing as a beacon of trust, integrity, and operational excellence in the digital age. We have come to an end of this course. I'm sure we must have gained a lot, and by now, and be able to perfectly handle everything around office filing. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting courses from LearnCity.